Tell me your name and your company.
My name is Nasir Cowan. I'm 17 and I'm a young entrepreneur.
What problems were you looking to solve when we came in contact?
Since I'm young, I'm just trying to find the right path, like what I truly love and what I want to do for the rest of my life, and set me and my family up for the rest of my life. I thought of sneaker reselling, getting into stocks and stuff like that. So yeah, I want to ask for tips and tricks and what you know about it, that kind of stuff.
How did I initially solve the problem?
Like I said, you connected me with people in the sneaker business that have been in it for a while. You've told me to look up people, research people, good people to research for stocks and trading and even sneakers too. And you always made like it seems like you make every client feel welcome, you know. You always want to look down the line.
What did you find valuable about the time we spent together in our business coaching sessions?
Like I said, it didn't feel like a business coaching session. It felt like, family, even though we are family, but it felt like family, you always wanted to push and look for the next step. Even though I'm still in the beginning stages, you still want to go for the next step. You don't ever want me to settle. And I find that very valuable.